I truly believe you can use memory techniques on any information out there. All it takes is some creativity and imagination on your part. So let's say you're trying to get better at chess. Now, there's no point to memorizing every single move to a chess game because there could be thousands of thousands and thousands of combinations. So that's not really going to help you in the long run. What you could do is memorize chess openings because that could give you an advantage if you use this opener and it gets you into this position. Or even you can see the opener your opponent is using so you could counter it. So using memory techniques in this aspect for chess would be huge. So let's take the Italian game. Now when I push play, you can see the actual moves happening. And so right here you have the move breakdown with the white pieces going first and the dark pieces going next. And so if you're memorizing this, you're like, okay, I want to do the Italian game opener, boom. And if the opponent's doing the specific moves that they need to do for it, then you know, hey, I'm doing the opener. This is going to give me XYZ advantage. And so I would probably have a memory palace and each location would have a specific game opener. And I would just use the story method connecting, okay, so the first move set has these two moves. And so the white pieces always go first, so I would have the white image first. I was like, okay, the first image, that's always going to be the white pieces. Second image, always going to be the dark pieces. And so I have all that in one location, so when I actually start seeing it on the board, I can identify it. Now, of course, if I was great at chess or was a little bit better, I could use the coordinates. For me, I would use the actual pieces because I just don't know the coordinates that well, and I like the pieces better because I've actually memorized chess pieces. And so this is how memory techniques could be applied to any type of information. Even something as chess where, yes, you can memorize different specific spots on the chessboard, what spot has which piece, but this is something that could be extremely useful, the chess opening moves, because that could give you in a position that would be advantage in the game or later on. Because chess is a game where you're just kind of planning everything out, right? But I just want to show you how memory techniques could be applied to any information out there, regardless if you think, memory techniques can't really be applied here, or it's really stupid if it's applied here. Well, yes, if you want to just memorize all the moves to a game, kind of stupid. But if you memorize the opening moves or specific move sets or positions on the board and like counters that could happen to them, then all of a sudden that information becomes so much more valuable and useful to you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully it made a lot of sense to you because I really do want you to start looking at information in different ways to see how memory techniques can help you in an advantage way, not just, hey, I could use memory techniques to memorize this just for the heck of it. So hopefully you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.